Brothers and sisters in quarantine and isolation centers, we know what you are going through. Most of you have kept the promise, except for a few who have wavered. Everybody is being called upon to make a little sacrifice. It is much better to be counted as among those who helped keep COVID-19 at bay than to be counted as the inconsiderate few who have failed to appreciate the danger that this pandemic presents. What is required is a little bit more patience, sacrifice, and understanding from you, your families, friends, and Kenyans at large. We are also aware that within the same institutions, a number of people are going to the extent of offering bribes to get out of quarantine facilities. This is wrong. I am aware, for example, that in the county of Mandela, there are people, and this has been confirmed to me by the governor, that there are people who bribe their way out of quarantine. Both those who did that and those who let them off will face